Thank you for joining us in this class. Here we want to solve this problem. Given that 2 raised to power a equals to 3 raised to power b equals to 216, then what is the value of 1 over a plus 1 over b? Now, when we work with this, we have 2 raised to power a equals to 3 raised to power b, then equals to 216. We can separate this, and also first let's write this as 2 raised to power a equals to 3 raised to power b, then equals to 216 can be written as 6 raised to power 3. And when we separate this now, we can see that we have all this one equal. So let me equate 2, and I say 2 raised to power a equals to 6 raised to power 3. And also here I can also equate this one as 3 raised to power b equals to 6 raised to power 3. And let us multiply the powers on this side by b. The powers on this side by b, so I have 2 raised to power a multiplied by b raised to power b, then equals to 6 raised to power 3 as well, multiplied by the power of b. Then on this side, let's multiply by power of a. Then we say 3 raised to power b multiplied by power of a equals to 6 raised to power 3 also multiplied by power of a. So that we now have, on this side we have 2 raised to power ab. From the law of indices, the power multiplies equals to 6 raised to power 3b. The power multiplies from the law of indices, and from there, also on this side, we have the power also multiplied 3 raised to power ab equals to 6 raised to power 3a. So let us divide this one as equation 1, this one as equation 2. And from there, let's multiply equation 1 and 2. Multiply the two equations from there now. That is 2 raised to power ab multiply 3 raised to power ab. So we have 2 raised to power ab times 3 raised to power ab. Then on this side as well, 6 raised to power 3b multiplying 6 raised to power 3a. So we have 6 raised to power 3b multiplied by 6 raised to power 3a. Then what we have on this side, we have the power to be the same thing, so we can bring it out and say this is 2 times 3 raised to power ab equals to, here we have the same base and they are multiplying, we can add the power, that's 3b plus 3a. Then 2 times 3 here is 6, this is 6 raised to power ab equals to 6 raised to power 3b plus 3a. And from there, we can see that we have same base on the two sides. We can equate the power and say this is ab equals to 3b. I can rearrange it and say 3a plus 3b. And from there, we can bring out 3 on this side and say this is ab equals to 3 into bracket a plus b. And from there, I want to separate 3 to this side and separate ab to this side. So what I will have left here is 1 over 3. And what I will have here is a plus b all over ab. So I've separated 3 on this side and separated ab on this side. Then from here, by the time we separate this fraction now, we have 1 over 3 equals to a over ab, separating that fraction, plus b over ab. Then from here, we can see that a, we cancel a, and b, we cancel b. And what we have left here is 1 over 3 equals to 1 over b plus 1 over a. And after we rearrange here, we can see that our 1 over a plus 1 over b now is equals to 1 over 3. And that is the solution to the problem. We say thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. See you in the next class, and bye for now.